Welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we're going to look into Azure Cognitive Search quick demo. My apologies, a couple of weeks back I did the same video and the audio quality was not up to mark and few people reached out saying the audio wasn't clear, so I'm just redoing it. Thanks for your patience. Let's get started. So first thing, when you go into creating a resource search for a search service, and the first one you see here is Azure Cognitive Search. Click on that. Once you click on create, so choose the subscription, choose the Cognitive Search POC resource group, and I chose name. You can choose East US 2, and then once you click on the pricing tier, you can see there are multiple pricing tier. We could just go with the free tier since we are just doing a POC. It does have 50 MB storage and you could use it, or you could go with a basic tier. So in this case I'm doing a free tier. So once you click create, it's going to create your search service. So I'm not proceeding with that since already I have the service created. So once the service is created, this is how we are going to look into it, and I'll just quickly go through the left side blade. What options do we have? The first thing you would look at is indexes. This is where you would create an index. So in this case I already have an index, Bala1, and then you can see the fields that are part of the index, and then there are cars, scoring profiles. Go to the search explorer, you can click on search, and then you will get the data here for your testing. And you do have indexers. Indexers is nothing but when you have a data source in Azure, you can create an indexer, and that indexer could crawl that content and push it back into the index. And you have data sources where you can add data sources, something like a blob storage and things like that directly. Alias is nothing but for your index you can give a different name. For the same index you can have multiple aliases. Skill sets are nothing but you can add AML skill sets specific to the index. If you really need to debug a particular search session, you could add a debug session here. You have semantic search. By default, you could choose a $0 plan, or you can do this with 1,000 requests per month, or you can go for a higher plan. But this is really useful when you're doing context level search. You can have a primary admin key and a secondary admin key, and you can scale the number of units here. In this case I'm using free tier, but if you're using a paid tier you can increase it. And search traffic analytics, piece of code is available here and how to use it. That's the quick demo of cognitive search. We will look into some more topics next week. Thanks everyone for watching.